Understanding the phrase, rope someone in. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, rope someone in. This phrase is a part of everyday English, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's unravel its meaning together. First, let's explore where this phrase comes from. Rope someone in originally comes from cowboy culture. Imagine cowboys using a rope to catch something. Similarly, when you rope someone in, you're figuratively pulling them into a situation or activity, often one they might not be initially interested in. Now, let's break down the meaning. To rope someone in means to persuade or convince someone to join an activity, often in a somewhat deceptive or coercive way. It's often used in situations where someone might need extra encouragement or a bit of a push to participate. To understand it better, let's see some examples. 1. I managed to rope my friends in for the weekend volunteer work. 2. Our team needed more players, so we roped in some people from other departments. Notice how in these examples, rope in indicates bringing someone into an activity. It's important to note that rope someone in can sometimes have a slightly negative connotation. It implies that the person being roped in might not be completely willing at first. So, be careful with the context in which you use it. If you're looking for similar phrases, here are a few synonyms. Coax, enlist, recruit, convince. These words share similar meanings but can be used in slightly different contexts. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, rope someone in, better. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the cultural and contextual nuances that come with them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.